Comic books are making people rich, and you can create your own comic book with AI. Here's a money-making strategy. Head over to AI Comic Factory. This AI helps you make stunning comic books without any drawing skills. It can create amazing illustrations in seconds. Select your language, choose a layout, and use ChatGPT to create a script if you don't have one. Just copy, paste, and click go. The AI will produce a professional comic. Look at how good it is. Edit any panel you want and save your comic as a PDF. Ready to earn. Convert your comic to a Kindle ebook using Kindle Comic Creator, then list it on Amazon KDP. You'll earn up to 70% in royalties on every sale. Wanna give it a try? Comment, comic, and I will send all my notes on how. Convert any video into an anime with one click by using this free AI tool. Go to this app, select the anime style you want, and upload your video. Describe the video to the AI, and in seconds, you will have your anime video. Curious to see how it works? Comment Lens, and I'll send you the link. This AI animated video has reached 60 million views, but you don't realize how many. It's easy. Start using Leonardo AI with this prompt to make similar images. Then process these images through Luma Labs to make your own dance videos. Ready to give it a try? Comment on the prompt for my step-by-step guide on how.